Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Planet Mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Planet Mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in planethomelending.com and make a search. The official page of Planet Mortgage account will appear on the screen. Click on Account Login at the top right corner of the screen. On the next page, enter your username and password associated with your Planet Mortgage account and tap on Login. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. Tick mark on the box that says Remember my username in case if you want your username to be remembered next time you log in. You also need to tick mark on the second box to agree to the terms and conditions of Planet Mortgage account. This is how you can log into your Planet Mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.